Hi, I'm Chef Candace Conley, and I'm going to show you how to make baked brie with cranberries. It's a great appetizer and super easy to throw together. I think you're really going to like it. You want to start with your wheel of brie. It's about a 6-inch wheel, and you're going to shave one of the edges off because you don't want too much of the covering on there. Then you're going to get a piece of puff pastry and roll it out just slightly so it's a little bit bigger. It will cover the brie entirely. Then we're going to use dried cranberries, and we're going to do what's called macerate so that they plump up a little bit. So that means that we put them in a saucepan with a little bit of sweet marsala and put in the cranberries, and then we're going to bring it to a boil and then let the cranberries sit in the liqueur for, just about 10 or 15 minutes until they're plump. Then you're going to drain them, and here we're going to put them on the top of the brie. Then cover the brie with the puff pastry. Then we're going to put it on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or until it's golden brown.